Good morning, student. This is Hansa, your maths teacher, and today we will again start the chapter 3 of class 10, linear equation in two variable. In previous class, we find the value of x by substitution method, which has unique solution, means only one value of x and one value of y. And again, second question we will solve today by substitution method. If the question like 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, 4x plus 6y is equal to 2, is it possible to find out the value of x and y? How many values of x or y? Because we have already studied about the value of x and y in two variable. A unique solution, many solution, and no solution. Unique solution in which there is a one value of x and one value of y. I already explained you. And what will be the possible values of x and y? By the method of substitution. What we have done first, from equation first, I think now you know it very well. From equation first, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. What we have to do? Express y in terms of x, or we can say find the value of y. It means here is y, 3y is equal to 5 minus 2x, and this 3 will multiply and that will be divided. Y is equal to 5 minus 2x upon 3. This is the value of y. And this value of y we will put where? In equation, put value of y in equation. In which equation? First or second? In second equation. Why we will put in second equation? Because this, the value of y, we obtain from where? First equation. And then, what is the second equation? 4x plus 6y is equal to 2. Then 4x plus 6, what is the value of y? 5 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to 2. And here is 4x plus, what will take? LCM. Now what is LCM? You can multiply also, you can bracket open. 3 LCM, 3 divided by 1, this is answer 3, 3 multiplied by 4, 12x plus 6 bracket 5 minus 2x is equal to 2. 12x plus open bracket now. Open it. And now 6 5 is 30 minus 12x upon 3 is equal to 2. This 12 will cut. And then 30 upon 3 is equal to 2. This 3 and this 30. Here is 10, here is 2. 10 equal to 2. Is it possible that 10 is equal to 2? On left side the value is 10 and right side value is 2. So it is not possible. So 10 is not equal to 2. It is not possible. If LHS not equal to RHS, if LHS not equal to RHS, this show the value of x and value of y is not possible. It means we can say it is inconsistent. It is inconsistent. It means it is inconsistent. It means it is inconsistent. and it has no solution. It has no solution. Or graphically, what does it indicate? Graphically, what will indicate? They are parallel. They are parallel. If LHS not equal to RHS, then it is inconsistent. It has no solution, and graphically they are parallel to each other. Is it clear? And now move to the third condition. If the equation are I change the value here, it was 2, and I write here is 10, and same we will solve first equation, and this is second by substitution. What we do now? From equation first, now find the value of y in terms of x. You do yourself. What you will see, check it, find yourself. I am giving you some time, some step you have to do yourself. With first equation, here is the first equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. From here find the value of y, means express y in terms of x. That will be 3y is equal to 5 minus 2x, and then from here y is equal to 5 minus 2x upon 3. What you have done after this? Put the value of y where? In equation first or in second? Here is again put value of y, value of y in equation which one? Second. Equation second. Now what we do now? 4x plus 6y is equal to 10. Here is 4x plus 6. What is y? What is y? This one means 5 minus 2x upon 3 is equal to 10. Then 4x plus, it will cut, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So what is your answer? 2 bracket 5 minus 2x is equal to 10. 4x plus 5 2 ja 10 minus 2 2 ja 4x is equal to 10. 4x will cut. So 10 equal to 10 means LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then the value of x and value of y has infinite many solution. It satisfies all the points for both equation. All the point for both equation. It satisfies all the point. You can put any value of x in what case? In what case? If it will be y, 5. Is it clear? Every point it will satisfy. Why? Because they are coincide to each other. Infinite many solution. Infinite many solution. If you will think, this will be, if the point which does not lie on this line, then it will not satisfy. All the point which lie on this point or on this point, the point which lie in one line, or it will satisfy this line also. If the point does not lie in this line, away from this line, then it will not satisfy. If I draw the graph, if they are this one, if the point is here, then it will not satisfy this line. Which point will satisfy? All the point which lie on the line. All the point which lie on the line, because they are coinciding to each other, coincident to each other, covered to each other. Therefore, it has many solutions. And those points which does not lie on this line, they will not satisfy. Only those lines will not satisfy. Which one? The point which lie on the line. And the infinite number of points lie on the line, therefore it has many solutions. When LHS is equal to RHS, then it is consistent. It has many solutions. And third is, they coincide. They are coincide to each other. Coincidence, coincide to each other. Means covered to each other. Covered to each other. Or we can say copy paste. Copy paste. Is it clear? It may be possible. The condition may be possible when we solve by the substitution method. If the value of x and y will be 1, then it has unique solution. If LHS equal to RHS, it has many solution. If LHS not equal to RHS, then it has no solution. Is it clear? And try to solve the exercise question from exercise, and with the question from exercise we will discuss after completing the chapter. First, you do yourself the method of substitution from your book, and the statement problem I will explain how we have to form the equation in next class. Is it clear? Be a good day, be safe at home, stay at home. Is it clear? Thank you.